It's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to grill up some steaks while my wife cooks up the coal cannon and the cabbage. But it's getting kind of dark out here, so I got out my grilling lights. We'll go ahead and turn these things on and grill up some steaks. All right, with all those flames, we're not going to need the lights on yet, but let me show you how they work. They got a magnet on here, so they stick to the table. And then on the other side here, there's a little light switch. So you turn on that light, and then you aim it down on your steak. Go ahead and turn the other one on here. And then aim the light down there. And now I can see how the steak's doing. Yeah, there's those lights. They're pretty nice. The button does stick a little bit in there sometimes, so it's a little bit tricky, but it seems to be working all right. All right, so there's our timer went off. Now we'll go ahead and move these steaks off to the side there. I got some fresh cut rosemary. We'll put that on there. Close it up and kind of get a little bit of heat going in there. Looks like the sun's just about set there, almost over the mountains. So we still got a few minutes of daylight, but if we're out here much longer, I'll have those lights and that'll keep things going so I can see how the steaks look. I'll have a link to my Amazon storefront, and you can check them out there in my grilling section. All right, looks like our timer's going off there. Let's get our lights back on. Yeah, like I said, this button sticks a little bit on here. A little bit finicky. This one doesn't seem to have a problem though. All right, so our temperature here, can't shine the light directly on it, but indirectly, the temperature there is about 375, so that's pretty good. All right, let's see how these steaks look. Get the light shining right down on them. Yeah, these are looking pretty good. Maybe we'll go another couple minutes and then we'll take them inside. So yeah, without the lights, I'd just be guessing. I wouldn't really know how these steaks looked. I'll show you without the lights on. I'd just kind of be guessing there on what they look like. So yeah, having these lights is pretty nice. I don't remember what they're called. I'll put a link to them in the video description to my Amazon storefront, and I'll have them linked on there in my grilling section. And you can check them out if you want, but yeah, this is pretty nice. It works, they're magnetic, so it works good on the Weber grill because I got that metal countertop on there that comes with the grill. So you need a place to magnet them to because you don't want to really magnet them to the grill. But this table's pretty nice, I can put them on there. All right, I think we'll put another little piece of rosemary on there. Get back to grilling. There we go. Pretty nice. Yeah, that rosemary smoke coming out of there smells really good. All right, the timer's going off. I think these things are about ready. Yeah, there it is. These lights are really nice. Those look pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Oh, that looks good. All right, we get these little filet mignons off of here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. You can see still a little bit of rosemary left, but most of it burned up. All right, there it is. We're gonna go ahead and take it inside and have some coal cannon and some cabbage. All right, so how did I do for grilling in the dark? That looks pretty good. That's about how we like it. You might like it a little more rare or a little more done, but that looks pretty good to me. Oh yeah, that looks great. Filet mignon. Looks pretty pretty good. Ooh, that's perfect for me. I like it kind of pink like that. You might like it a little pinker. You might want a little bit of blood coming out, or you might want it a little more well done. I kind of like it right in the middle there. That looks really good to me. Pretty good for grilling in the dark. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Those grilling lights are pretty good. They did a good job. I could actually see what I was doing. I didn't burn it. And I didn't undercook it. This is just right. Look at that. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Nothing like a ribeye steak for St. Patrick's Day.